Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Red-Tail RC Airplane is a high-performance remote-controlled warbird designed for experienced RC pilots and aviation enthusiasts. With a 66.9-inch, 1,700 mm wingspan, this 6-channel RC plane offers impressive scale details, smooth flight performance, and advanced features that make it stand out in the RC aircraft market. This model is a PNP, plug-and-play, version, meaning it does not include a radio, battery, or charger, allowing users to customize their setup based on their preferences. The powerful brushless motor and efficient ESC provide strong thrust and smooth handling, making it suitable for aerobatic maneuvers and stable flight. Equipped with functional flaps, the aircraft enables smoother takeoffs and landings, enhancing overall control during flight. The LED navigation lights add realism and improve visibility, while the electric retractable landing gear gives the aircraft an authentic warbird feel. The P-51 Mustang Red-Tail features a durable EPO foam construction, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy build capable of handling various flying conditions. Its high-scale details, including realistic panel lines and accurate paint scheme, pay tribute to the legendary Red-Tail fighter planes of World War II, making it a great choice for collectors and history buffs. With 6-channel control, pilots can manage throttle, ailerons, rudder, elevator, flaps, and retractable landing gear, allowing for a realistic and dynamic flying experience. Overall, the FMS P-51 Mustang Red-Tail RC Airplane is a premium, large-scale warbird model that combines historical accuracy, advanced flight features, and powerful performance, making it an excellent choice for experienced RC pilots looking for a high-quality, realistic flying experience. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc Sport Cub RC Plane is a beginner-friendly 4-channel remote control airplane designed for new pilots, kids, and adults looking for an easy-to-fly trainer aircraft. With a 500 mm wingspan, this compact RC plane delivers a stable and enjoyable flying experience, making it a great choice for those learning to fly. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the Sport Cub offers smooth flight performance and assists pilots with automatic stabilization, reducing the risk of crashes. The plane includes 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing users to gradually improve their flying skills. The beginner mode provides maximum stabilization for new pilots, intermediate mode allows for more control, and expert mode gives full manual control for advanced flying and aerobatic maneuvers. The propeller saver design protects the plane from damage by detaching during crashes, preventing serious motor or propeller damage. This feature increases durability, making it an ideal choice for new users still learning the basics of flight. The RTF Ready to Fly package includes everything needed to start flying right out of the box, including the airplane, transmitter, battery, and charger. With a lightweight yet durable EPP foam construction, the plane can withstand minor crashes and rough landings. The radio control system provides a long-range signal and precise handling, ensuring a smooth and responsive flying experience. Overall, the Volantexrc Sport Cub is an excellent trainer RC airplane with stabilization features, multiple flight modes, and a durable design, making it perfect for beginners looking to learn and enjoy RC flying with confidence. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane is a high-performance STOL, short takeoff and landing, aircraft, designed for both beginner and experienced pilots. With its 1.5-meter wingspan, this bind and fly (BNF) basic model offers impressive stability, aerobatic capability, and versatility for various flying conditions. Equipped with AS3X, artificial stabilization, 3-axis technology, the turbo timber delivers smooth flight performance by reducing the effects of wind and turbulence. Additionally, Safe Select, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology provides optional flight stabilization, making it easier for beginners to control the aircraft. More advanced pilots can disable Safe for full manual control. A powerful brushless motor and ESC system provide excellent thrust, enabling short takeoffs and landings even on rough terrain. The model also includes shock-absorbing landing gear with oversized tundra-style wheels, allowing it to take off and land on grass, dirt, or gravel. For added versatility, the turbo timber comes with optional float accessories, making it capable of water takeoffs and landings. This makes it an excellent choice for pilots who want to fly in different environments. The flap-equipped wing design enhances slow-speed handling and short runway performance, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Bright LED navigation lights add to the realism and improve visibility during low-light conditions. Since this is a BNF basic version, it does not include a transmitter, battery, or charger, allowing users to pair it with their preferred radio system. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M is a versatile, high-performance RC airplane with STOL capability, advanced stabilization, and rugged design, making it an excellent choice for pilots looking for an exciting, adaptable aircraft that can handle various terrains and flying conditions. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 RC Plane is a beginner-friendly, two-channel remote control airplane designed for kids, adults, and novice pilots looking for an easy-to-fly aircraft. With its lightweight and durable EPP foam construction, this RC plane is built to withstand minor crashes while ensuring smooth and stable flights. Equipped with a 6-axis Euro stabilization system, the FX803 provides automatic balance control, making it easier for beginners to fly with confidence. The two-channel control system manages throttle and steering, simplifying the flying experience while allowing smooth turns and steady glides. The 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures a long-range signal and prevents interference, allowing multiple planes to fly together without signal disruption. This feature is great for group flying sessions or learning alongside friends. With a glider-style design, the FX803 is optimized for long, stable flights, making it easy to launch and control, even for first-time pilots. Its lightweight structure improves flight efficiency, providing longer airtime on a single charge. The RTF Ready to Fly package includes everything needed to start flying right out of the box, including the airplane, transmitter, rechargeable battery, and USB charger. Overall, the Makerfire FX803 RC Plane is an excellent entry-level aircraft with simple controls, built-in stabilization, and durable construction, making it a perfect choice for beginners and young pilots eager to experience the joy of RC flying. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-friendly RC plane designed for both kids and adults who want an easy and fun flying experience. It features 3 flight modes that help pilots of all skill levels enjoy stable and controlled flights, making it an ideal choice for first-time flyers. Equipped with an intelligent flight control system, the aircraft allows for easy U-turns and stable handling, ensuring smooth navigation in the air. The 3 flight modes range from assisted stability for beginners to full manual control for more advanced pilots, allowing users to gradually improve their flying skills. The plane is built with durable EPP foam material, making it lightweight yet impact-resistant, helping it survive minor crashes while maintaining efficient flight performance. The powerful motor system provides ample thrust, enabling the aircraft to take off and fly steadily. The 2.4 GHz remote control system offers interference-free connectivity and a long control range, allowing multiple planes to fly simultaneously without signal disruption. This feature makes it great for group play and learning sessions. As an RTF, ready-to-fly model, the package includes everything needed to start flying immediately, including the RC plane, remote control, rechargeable battery, and charger. Overall, the Leambe RC Plane is an excellent beginner-friendly aircraft with easy controls, multiple flight modes, and a durable design, making it a fantastic option for those looking to experience the thrill of RC flying in a fun and stress-free way.